Good freaking morning, YouTube. A very good morning to everyone. Hope you guys are doing awesome and hope you guys have an awesome day. A very good morning to you guys. Right now it's 10 o'clock, and from yesterday's video, if you remember, we are at Joliet, Illinois, and that's my terminal. So if you can see, we are at my terminal at so right now we got a load which is going from, let me tell you, it's going from Illinois, and this one's going to Nazareth, Pennsylvania, and it's a weekend load, so that means I'll be picking it up today, which is Friday, and the delivery is for Monday early morning at 9 o'clock. So the pickup is at 12 in the afternoon, so because of that I'm starting the video a little late. I woke up at like 7, got ready. Since I'm at the terminal, you know, we have free showers, so I had to get a free shower. I mean, hey, $18, might as well get it for free, right? So yeah, at the terminal right now, and I know I was supposed to tell you guys about training number 7 yesterday, but that video I couldn't complete because I had to go to Best Buy to get a new RAM and memory card from my laptop because I was not able to edit. Everything got full, so I had to get it. But I'm still having issues with the memory, even though I put a 2 TB memory card. It's still not able to detect that, so I'm still going to keep editing on my phone and try to figure that out. I've never upgraded laptops like I normally use, and if I find something wrong, I'll just sell it off or exchange it and try to buy a better one. But someone told me it's better to try to upgrade, so I'm trying to upgrade it, and I'm trying to do it on my own, so it's a little difficult, but yeah, we'll get there. Everything's a learning stage right now. So yeah, right now it's 10:03 in the morning, and I'm about to leave in some time. I'm sorry I'm stuttering a lot. Like the thing is that it's super cold outside. My lips are getting dry and they're getting cut, so you know, yeah, winter problems. But yeah, right now we will head to the pickup. If I leave right now, it says I should be there by around 11 o'clock, so 1 hour is good enough, and go pick it up, and then we'll head towards Pennsylvania. Smooth route, I-80 all the way, so that's really amazing. No 76, nothing, just 80 all the way. So yeah, let's head to the pickup, and once we get to the pickup, try to continue the video from there. And today I promise you I'm going to tell you about the trainee, why I kicked him out of the truck. The only trainee I've ever kicked out, and he crossed all the limits and all the lines. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated with what's happening. Okay, peace.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey, okay, let me give you guys a quick update on what's happening. So right now we are getting loaded. We are into the dock, which is super dark because it's like a, I don't know, like a freaking tunnel kind of thing, and we had to back in from the road. If you see, there's not much space over here. I mean, it's open, but we have to go onto the road and back up into this place. So yeah, we are into the dock getting loaded. It's been like, I think 30 minutes since we are here. Yeah, getting loaded, then off to Pennsylvania, close to Allentown. If we can, if luck is good, I will definitely show you one of the best restaurants in Pennsylvania to get Indian food, and very specifically I'm going to say biryani. This has been the best spot in the whole of US that I've eaten that has the best biryani. So if I get a chance, we'll try to go there, or maybe try to order food from there at the truck stop. Let's see. But if you've seen at the start of the video, once we started driving, we headed into a truck wash. So yes, my terminal does have our own truck wash at the terminal. So whenever we drivers want to get our trucks washed, we can just go get it washed and then start heading out, which is super cool because not much I've not seen it at any terminal that I have worked at. So that's two other companies, and I don't think many terminals do have it, but GP does have it. Not any promotion or anything, I'm just letting you guys know it's cool that we have one. But yeah, right now we do have another GP driver getting loaded at the side, and there was one more who just got loaded and left, and we do have more trucks coming. So yeah, should be loaded quick, and then we head out towards Pennsylvania. Like I said, super easy route, 80 all the way, and that's it. So one good thing is we'll be driving through 80, so that means a lot of travel centers, a lot of travel plaza, service stations, so Dunkin's and Starbucks all the way. So today we will try to drive as much as we can, try to shut down a little early, because this oh, I didn't tell you how many miles this load is. So the total miles for this load is 700 and I'd say 750 total for the pickup and the delivery. So 750 miles total, which is not bad. So that will get our total of miles for this week close to 2300, 22, yeah, close to 2300, which is not what I expected. I expected more miles, but yeah, won't complain much. I mean, complaining doesn't help a lot, but will definitely ask my manager to give me some better miles next week. And the best thing is my leaves for Christmas did get approved, so I will be going home for Christmas and New Year, which is the best thing because as a truck driver we hardly get to enjoy Christmas, New Year. So this is like the best thing. I will be home for Christmas and New Year. If you guys want to see some home vlogs, okay, like what I do on my vacation, what I do at home, the places we go to eat, and the places I explore, maybe go check some good restaurants and stuff, do let me know in the comments and we will hit some good restaurants. I do want to go and check out Cat's Deli, which is one of the restaurants that is really famous for their pastrami sandwiches. So definitely want to go and check that out. So do let me know, guys, if you want to see some like food reviews and stuff when I go home. We'll definitely do that. So right now, let's see what happens. Let's stay tuned to this video, and I'll keep you guys updated on what's happening, and hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm really trying to improve my videos. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated on what's happening. Hey guys, so quick update. It's 12:30 and we got loaded. The total weight for this load is 41,000. So we definitely got to go to a scale and make sure we're legal to drive. For the first time, to my luck, a small a catering service, a lady with a food truck hooked up to this shipper. So I did pick up a chipotle burrito, so I'm going to eat that. And I did even get a Italian sandwich, so that's for later. and we got coffee since I was not able to pick up coffee in the morning. So yeah, right now we are locked, we are loaded, and we are good to go. So yeah, let's start driving. 12:30, and I'll see where I've not decided where we'll stop for the night, but try to drive as much as I can today, so tomorrow we don't have much driving to do, and try to shut down early so I can play Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. If any of you guys are gamers, please let me know in the comments, guys, and what games you play. I would like to know. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll keep you updated with what's happening. Peace.
Invincible.
Good freaking morning, YouTube. What is up, people? Very good morning to you guys. Hope you guys are having an amazing day and hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Hope you guys are partying. But yeah, good morning. Actually, good afternoon. So yesterday I wasn't able to end the previous video, so we'll just continue with that. Because we finished driving. I finished driving around 10:30 in the night yesterday, so it became very late. Plus it was raining, so I couldn't record much. And then I had to stop and find a parking spot, and I wanted to watch the Mike Tyson and Jake Paul fight. Do let me know, guys, if you watched that fight and what do you think about it, because I think that was the worst fucking fight ever watched. That was so shit, man. That was the most fucked up shit ever. Like, I don't know what the hell was Mike doing. Like, I know he's old and stuff, but maybe that fight wasn't, you know, that wasn't a good time for him to actually get back into a ring. But yeah, so we stopped to watch that, and right now in the morning it's 12:30 in the afternoon. We did wake up around 2.5 hours before and started driving, heading towards our delivery. So right now we'll be stopping at a Love's, which is 30 miles away from here. I just had a quick pit stop, needed to use a restroom, and there's an Indian restaurant over here. Not a restaurant, a food truck. I'll put pictures up over there. There's a food truck, Indian food truck. So I just stopped to pick up some food for the weekend because I don't eat Wendy's. So yeah, right now we're just gonna wait. Once we get to the pickup spot, I'm going to tell you guys about the trainee, why I kicked him out. I know I was supposed to tell you yesterday, but the rain, the driving and all, I just couldn't. So today, once we park, stop driving for the day, I will tell you guys why I kicked out a trainee. So stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated once we find a parking spot.